काळ्या बरे हो काळ्या बरे
मस्त ना मस्त ना
one voice. Come, Dilila, come here. Come here. And this one, Baba, come here. Feels for our future. My name is Dilila. Give it down. Come. Byron.
Yeah, I can congratulate the Benawali warriors and the parents for taking a bold move. And I would only say, like, under the constitution, there is a difference where there is a legislator, there is also a judiciary. And when any time you feel that the lawmakers are not listening, that you have a step where you can go and approach the authorities. So I can in fact remember that there was one more petition in the High Court, the Rainbow Warriors, where similar petition was filed for the regional plan, in which the High Court also of Bombay, I congratulate, they had passed an order saying that low-lying fields, Kazan lands, no development will be permitted even if it falls in settlement zone. So we can see that our constitution protects the environment. In fact, Article 21 says right to life includes right to healthy environment, and this is what these children of Benawali are fighting for. In short, they want to protect the environment not only for us, for the future. That is the intergenerational equity. This was a principle read in Rio in 1992, wherein all over the world they decided that you should have a principle in which you save the environment not only for you but for the future generation. Now, I agree that development is required, but at what cost? So we see that development to some extent always overrides an environment. But today I am very thankful not only to these Benawali warriors but to the Honorable NGT for looking into these aspects, and I think henceforth all authorities will be serious as regards environmental issues. And therefore I thank the courts and I thank these people for coming to the courts, and I can only say that constitution values have been upheld. Article 21 will play a big role to save this environment in the future. Thank you.